In the Now News, ITNN.
Powering a house off the grid with this video.
Engineered to power anything, even real estate, that already exists, our homes and facilities. It saves up to 98% of its operating energy to power homes and 100%
using a new vacuum F technology that not only charges battery banks but runs the DC actual motor independently. It also uses renewables to export excess energy to pay for the device. Brought to you by Zyotech Incorporated. Our only solution is to power real estate that already exists, our homes, on or off the grid, especially saving energy while on the grid. It is the battery banks that powers the facility or homes. As seen here, battery bank 1 and 2 switches between a load and a charge. When the load is depleted, it switches to the charge and vice versa. In this image, B1 is the load and B2 is being charged.
to build your own Zio off-grid energy device. Download our expensive circuits, etc. First, subscribe to our website.
If it's not your thing, a machine shop or someone else can get the same material and build one for you. Another option is to buy a completed version online, but one must first subscribe on our website. Don't forget to select the like button. Make a comment if you wish. Share with others, they'll want to know too. Anyone can now download our blueprints and schematics with a simple, inexpensive subscription. If it's not your thing, then have someone else assemble it for you. There is another option. Independents can download the same schematics, rebuild them, and sell them online, or anyone who wants to assemble and manufacture them. Reversing the grid with excess stored energy can not only mature the lease sooner than later, it can then be turned into disposable income. In the upcoming clip, we actually power the house off the grid. So, we are going to flip the one-arm bandit, but this is the house that we're doing. Okay. As you can see here, it's about 1,800 square feet, very large. Okay, and we have the main cord from the house going into the one-arm bandit. Okay, it goes to the one-arm bandit, and that goes in to the machine. This is the master electrician.
Hello.
Yep, and he's going to flick the one-arm bandit, and when he does that, the house lights come on. Okay, so
Power module power.
yes, so and you'll see that the lights are up there. Yeah. Exclusive in another video, Channel 9 News from Australia. Australia cashes in by reversing the grid with excess stored energy from renewables. Because the facility energy generator uses two battery banks that alternate between the two, excess energy from the charged bank sitting idle can then feed back into the grid. Once installed, you're off the grid. Reversing the grid with excess stored energy can not only mature the lease sooner than later, it can then be turned into disposable income. Go to our YouTube channel and watch our Zyotech TV videos associated with our other products. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel called Zyotech TV. Thank you for watching In the News Now, brought to you by ZyotechInc.com. Beyond inspiration. I hope you enjoyed the video.